So last week I tried to recreate the Temple Run video games using AI, and the results were not that great. I'll put a link for that video down below so you can go watch it if you want. But interestingly, about one day after that, when I was doom scrolling through Twitter, I came across a very interesting post. Now apparently this guy, he created Minecraft using AI in the browser, and the results were actually kinda amazing. Like, it literally looks just like Minecraft. And apparently the reason why he was able to do this is because he was using this framework called 3JS, which I decided to do some research, and by research I mean ask ChatGPT. And long story short, 3JS basically allows you to create 3D animations in the browser, and so because of that he was able to create a very high quality Minecraft clone, which is actually insane. You know, we live in an age of misinformation and people just posting fake stuff just to get likes and views. So I want to see for myself, like, is it actually possible to recreate a high quality Minecraft clone using AI in the browser and 3JS? Let's find out. Now to do this, we're going to be using 4 different AI, starting from the worst to the best. And so the one that we're going to be starting with is Claude Sonnet. Okay, so this is our prompt right here, which is a very simple prompt, but in the Twitter post, this is the prompt that the guy said he used. So I want to use the exact same prompt to see if we can get the same results or not. So yeah, let's set this off and see what we get. So I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes watching this thing work, and after it generated the code, it said that the file was too big, so it's gonna add the code to a file so I can download it. I sat here for another like 5 minutes just for it to give me an error saying that it could not complete my request. So yeah, right now I'm kind of annoyed, but I'm gonna give this one more chance to generate the code, and if not, then I'm just gonna move on, because this is just complete BS right now. So I sat here for another 15 minutes watching this thing generate, and then I got an error saying that the response was too long. So I clicked continue, and it seemed like it restarted the response all over again. So at this point I'm just gonna move on to Gemini, but yeah, Claude Sonnet, you suck. So let's move on. Okay, so I gave the same prompt to Google Gemini, and we're going to be using Google Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is the latest model. And also 50% of my battery is already gone because my computer kind of sucks. So, you know, if you guys want to help me buy a new computer, then definitely subscribe, because I really need a new laptop. Anyway, let's hope that Gemini actually gives me some results. Okay, so the results are in, and this actually took just a few minutes, which is actually impressive. And so far we have over 700 lines of code, so I'm guessing it's actually did a good job. We'll have to wait and see, but yeah, let's open this and see what we got. Okay, so this is what we got. I've never actually played Minecraft before, mostly because I'm too poor to afford Minecraft. So yeah, I have no idea if this is what it's supposed to look like or not, but I guess if you can't afford to buy a Minecraft, then you know, you might as well just build your own Minecraft. But yeah, let's see if this is actually any good. So let's start. This is actually insane right now. Like, this looks so good, and I did all of this with a single prompt. This is crazy. Like, I just recreated the entire Minecraft game with a single prompt in like 2 minutes. Insane. So how does this work? I think you can like, okay, you can like chop down stuff. We can create like a hole. Let's see. You can go down. I think I saw some gameplay one time where like you went all the way down and there was like lava and stuff. Not sure. I don't think there's any of that stuff in this. I think you have like elements, like resources. Let's try swapping to dirt. Let's see. No. Okay, so you can place like different elements and so on. Oh wait, I think I'm stuck. Let's see if I can get back to the top. Okay. Okay. I'm going up. This is actually insane right now. I'm actually playing Minecraft. Okay, so that's it. But this is very good. Like, I wasn't expecting it, especially after what happened with my last video. I tried to recreate Temple Run and the results were not that good. So yeah, this is actually impressive. Let's see if I can switch to a different resource. So this is the leaves. Okay, there's just a block of leaves. Can I go up? And then I build up. Let's see. Okay, so I can go and up. Let's switch. Let's try glass and see. 8. Okay, I'm building with glass. I can also break them. I'm at the top of the trees. Yeah, this is it. Oh, and it also has some stuff in the distance over there. That's actually insane. Let's see if I can go any higher. Going up. Yeah, and it has some stuff in the distance. I don't think like that's like an actual object. I think it's just like stuff off in the distance, but it's still impressive that it still added that to the map. So yeah, let's jump off and see what happens. Okay, so it just respawns you at the top from where you were. But yeah, this is really impressive, and I literally just gave it one single prompt. No, I'm gonna try and improve it using codex. Because I think Minecraft has some other stuff. I've seen like a few like videos here and there. I think they have like zombies and some other stuff. So I'm gonna look it up, and then I'm gonna ask codex to add like zombies and fighting and stuff like that, and let's see what we get. Now it's time to use ChatGPT. Now for this one, I'm gonna be using codex 5.4, which is like the latest one. And so for this, I'm basically gonna tell it to just add some zombies and fighting, stuff like that, and let's see how it does. Okay, so the results are in. Let's see what we got. I literally told it to just add some zombies and fighting, and let's see if it did that, if there's any errors. So far I haven't seen any errors in the file. And okay, we're currently sitting at over 1,000 lines of codes, which, you know, is looking good. I'm guessing it did a lot of work. Let's see what it actually did. Okay, so this is what we got. And also, if you hear a jet engine in the background, I apologize. That's the sound of my computer. Okay, so this looks pretty good so far. I have a health bar at the top. Oh wait, I'm taking damage from the zombies. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can kill the zombies. I think you get health when you kill the zombies. I'm not sure how this works. It says there are 6 zombies, but when I kill a zombie, it didn't go away. You see, like the number is not going down, so I'm not sure how this works. And also, I'm killing more zombies and I'm not getting back any health, so I'm not sure how exactly the health stuff works in this. But either way, the results are pretty good. There is zombies and fighting, which is exactly what I asked for. So yeah, this is pretty impressive, to be honest. Let's see, can I build? Let's build some wood. Wait, that's not building. Okay, so let's build. This is like Fortnite with blocks. Blocks night. This is crazy, right? Can't believe I'm playing Minecraft. Okay, so let's see if I can block this zombie in. Build around him. Let's build. Okay, now he's stuck. Okay, so that's like one minor issue right there, as you can see. Like, the zombie is inside the block. Like, he's stuck inside. So I guess that's like one minor bug right there that could be fixed. But yeah, this one is coming after me, so let's kill him. Okay, he's dead. And somehow my health went down. Yeah, I have no idea how this stuff works. Let's see if we can kill these twos over here. Okay, kill that one, and my health is going down. Let's see. Yeah, I killed that one, and my health, I didn't get any health regen, so yeah, I'm not sure how this health stuff works. But I mean, either way, this is still pretty good. And it literally took like just a few minutes to do this, which is actually insane. So I guess at this point, if you can't afford Minecraft, then you can just build your own Minecraft. It's actually kind of crazy, like this is where we're at in society right now. Where literally, if you can't afford a game, you can just build your own. Insane. But yeah, I'm gonna give this to Claude, try to improve it some more. Now let's move on to the best AI, which is Opus 4.6. It's currently the #1 AI when it comes to writing code. And so for this one, I basically just told it to improve the game and make it closer to Minecraft. Like, I was just watching a video and I noticed that there's some stuff that I currently don't have. Like, the UI for my game is currently different. Like, in the actual game, you have like hearts for the UI, and like the homepage has like this moving background. And you also have like water and animals and stuff like that. And so I'm basically told Claude to add all of that stuff to the game. And let's see what we get. Oh wow, so right off the bat, we already see some improvement. We have a background showing the actual world, which is what the actual Minecraft game looks like. So yeah, so far it's looking good. Now let's see what other changes it added to the game. So okay, so we have zombies in the tree. Okay, oh, and we also have a house. I asked it to add a house. And we also have sheep too, so those are the sheep over there. Let's see, can we kill the sheep? No. Okay, no, we can't kill the sheep. Also, see, we are walking through the sheep, so that's a bug right there. We could definitely fix that with another prompt, but I mean, so far this is looking good. Let's see, let's try to kill the zombies. Oh, and we also have the life. As you can see at the top, we have like the hearts for our life. So that's another improvement that I asked Claude to make. But yeah, this looks pretty good. and our life is going down. And I think the zombie counter is working now because you know it's going down. Before it wasn't going down, so I guess that was broken. And it's kind of interesting because I didn't ask Claude to fix it or anything, and it fixed it on its own, so that's actually impressive, to be honest. But yeah, now the zombie counter is working. Over our life is not going up, so it seems like we don't have like any health regen in this. So yeah, let's see what happens when we die. Let's see. Okay, so when we die we just respawn. Okay, that's it. And the zombies are just jumping like rabbits. I don't know if you guys saw that before. Let's see the house. Can we go inside? No. Okay, this is the house. Wait, what's going on? Wait, I think the house, I'm not sure what's going on. I think it may have spawned inside of a tree or something. Not sure. But yeah, and these are the windows. Wait, I'm getting attacked. Hold on. Die. Okay, so overall this looks pretty good, but I did notice that I did ask it to add like water and lava, and there's no water or lava. So I guess that's one thing that's missing, unless it's somewhere on the map and I can't find it. I'm not sure. Let's walk around and see if I can find it. First let's jump off and see what happens. Okay, so that's another improvement that he made, which I didn't ask for. So when you jump off, it just respawns you on the map instead of respawns you at the edge. So another improvement that Claude made on its own without me even asking, which again, very impressive. But yeah, let's see if we can find any water or anything. I think if it was here, then we would have seen it already. But yeah, I'm not seeing any water or lava or anything. So yeah, that's one thing it didn't add. Yeah, I don't think it's here. We could add it with another prompt, but I don't know, maybe in another video I'll do that. If you want to see me like improve this and add more features to it, then definitely let me know. And definitely subscribe. If I get like 50 likes, I'll do a part 2 to this where I improve it and make it a lot more like the actual Minecraft. So yeah, 50 likes for a part 2. Anyways, this is it. We just recreated Minecraft. If you have any other suggestions or any other games that I should recreate next, then let me know.